people, tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town.
Santa! Oh my God! Santa here?
Hello my besties, how are you? In today's video, I'm bringing to you some creative gift ideas. Tweety, really? Excuse me. That's my naughty bird. If you haven't met her, her name is Tweety. I also have a little dog, Coco. She's taking a nap. Well, anyway, I'm bringing some creative gift ideas to you. Wide price range, something really cute for everyone and anyone without breaking a bank. If you like these type of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting a thumbs up button. It really helps me out, okay? Let's get started. First, I'm gonna give you a creative idea to present a gift card because they're kind of boring, right? So go to Walmart or even a dollar store, get some of those box candy, a chocolate elf or a Santa Claus, and some building blocks like Mamba or chewing gum, and some candy canes. I love that those little candy boxes come with the label already at Christmas time, which is perfect. Just sign the name of the recipient. And we are going to turn the box into a sleigh. Just tape a couple of the candy canes at the bottom. Next, we are going to build a seat at the top. I'm using the Mamba squares, but you can really use anything, gum, candy bars, whatever the recipient would love. Let's just see how we're gonna sit our elf there. I'm gonna use a dab of hot glue to attach these. You can also get some glue dots. All right, let's see. Perfect, right? Let's attach him as well. All right, let's attach our gift cards now, and some of them are too big, so we're just gonna have to fold them in half. Okay, and simply insert right there behind your elf, or Santa, or a nutcracker, whatever other chocolate character you might find. I'm just gonna use a little bit of tape so it doesn't slide out, and he's ready!
Santa! Oh my God!
For a personalized touch, you can grab your Sharpie and sign the recipient's name on Elf's shirt. Such a quick and expensive DIY, but will make your gift card extra special. If you like it, please give me some elf emojis. You can make one for every kid in your family. Just change up the gift cards depending what they like. Next idea is for those who love to bake or eat the baked goods. Again, go to Walmart or grocery store, get some ready mixes. At dollar store, you can find a bowl, mixing utensils, measuring cups, even a cupcake carrier. And if you're lucky, you can even find Cake Boss Cake Kit or one of those fun rollers for $1.25. No one will know. So budget friendly, and all you're gonna do is just put everything in a bowl. My daughter is actually making this gift for her friend's birthday. It's no coincidence that all the packaging matches. We try to coordinate it to keep it within the same color palette. It gives you a nice and neater look, as much as you can, of course. If you don't know what to get for a little girl, I can assure you they love baking. Whenever we're having a play date in our house, sooner or later they wind up in the kitchen baking some snacks. Wrap it all in foil, top it with a coordinating bow, maybe a cute little sticker. And there you go, a fun basket for anyone who loves to bake without even spending that much money at all. The next idea is also great for a little girl or boy actually. Did you know Dollar Tree now sells tie-dye? So grab a few bottles, different colors. They even have a DIY cloth, or you can buy a plain t-shirt. And you can find other colorful coordinating items that will go with that gift basket, like a bath sponge, for example, or a notebook, colorful pens and pencils, a cute little candle. I mean, you're going to find so many things there. My daughter picked out for her cousin the whole set of the skincare items, the face mask and mist and all that fun stuff that little girls love playing with. Even rainbow flavored chapstick, rainbow color hair ties, accessories, candies. Oh, and of course, Kid'll taste the rainbow, yeah? And we are going to pack it up in a collapsible tie-dye container. How perfect is that? So that's what I want to inspire you to do. Pick a theme and then go to a Dollar Tree and find all these coordinating items. It's so much fun, and I assure you the gift recipient will have a lot of fun discovering the gift basket with so many cute coordinating items. It's just something fun about that. And I have to admit, Nicole and I had a lot of fun picking these things up too. And if you want to spend a little extra, of course, you can include a little gift card in there as well. Wrap it all in foil or get one of those basket bags. Tape the sides, of course. Tie at the top and top it with a rainbow bow. If you're looking for an easy bow tutorial or gift wrapping ideas, you want to refer to this video. I'm going to link it for you in the description box of this video. My daughter is making a little gift tag and the gift is ready. The next gift idea is for somebody who loves to ski. Inspired by this cute little sign I got at Walmart, it's actually a garden stake, so you can use it inside or outside of your home. I'm going to add a set of his and hers mugs and make a great couple gift for my friends. Magnolia from Target. We're going to pair these up with the mug treats. You can get these at Walmart or even Dollar Store. Mountain trail mix, how perfect, right? What else? You need a lot of money to ski. You know, my friends love the seeds. So lip balms and warm socks. And of course, some alcohol to warm them up on the ski slopes. You can find cute little coordinating decorations at the Dollar Tree. Even the snowballs. Put it all in a cute little wicker basket and let's go. Tissue paper is an inexpensive way of adding some color and tying everything together in your gift basket. How cute is this, guys? I'm just loving this basket so much. It's perfect for anybody who loves the winter sports, and it's not much at all and so cute and creative. Of course, if you want to up a game, you can even include some ski lift tickets, right? So as you can see, I open up that bags of trial mix and just use the packets to reinforce the whole thing so the sign stays up. Tweety's excited. I almost forgot, a couple packets of hot cocoa would be great here with some candy canes sticking out of the cups, and ta-da! Do you like that gift idea? Please make sure you give me some ski emojis. And the cute gray skis ornament is a cherry on top for me, let me tell you. I left it out on the side because I'm going to wrap the whole gift up in foil and then attach the ornament on top right there. And get your basket bags from the Dollar Tree early because once it gets closer to the holidays, they get sold out. And they really make your life easy. Just tape the sides to make it fit and tap it with a bow. And the Dollar Tree sells the gnome ribbon. How perfect is that, guys? Take a look at the finished basket. Let me know if you have somebody in mind who would enjoy a gift basket like that. Alright, my besties, so this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit thumbs up button, consider subscribing so you become my bestie, and we will be in touch, okay? Many more creative ideas coming up. Take care. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. And I have many more gift ideas videos on my channel. So I'll link those videos in the description box below. Feel free to check them out for some more inspiration for all your loved ones.